Hello crypto traders, hello diligence, hello investors, hello everyone. 10th of January, Martin Szreter. Let's quickly do the price action analysis, see where we are for Bitcoin, Ethereum and our cryptocurrency market. High level, we are in the middle, nothing changed. Liquidations, we have plenty of liquidations recent few days because they are there. The market makers decided to liquidate the retail before going up, which looks like this. So we actually, if we zoom out, that's the chart for the beginning of the year. So we started the year exactly here. Okay, we went higher, and then we exactly to the point from the open. Market makers said, fuck you guys, I want to have a best price ever, and they got it at the lowest level. So actually that's how it looks like on the lower time frame chart. The price reached almost 91,000 at some point, basically went below 92. But however, this is a very important one. The green one very often show us the signals of local bottom or local top. So this is actually showing up as the bottom, but it's not the most important signal we have to know. This is the signal we saw when the actually market makers decided to sell on Monday. So exactly the same chart, the same price action we saw here. Do you see? It's exactly the same way. But again, it's not the only thing we have to track. We have to have a common sense. Because we also see seller right now, right? They took profit for the weekend. But the most important thing is just to make sure what happened here versus what happened for altcoins and general market. Generally, the shitcoins were destroyed at this level. Everything went below the previous lows for the lower caps without the strong fundamentals. So it's actually good for the full year because it's very easy now to do 10x, 20x, 100x. Yeah. That's the only thing we can say. I think, and all symptoms looks like this really could be the locum, the bottom, at least the bottom. Really, that's all. Let's go move further. When we go to the heat map, funding rate, we are really green. We see this timing in March, in February, we were extremely overrated. The same also happened in December when we had a huge pump, but now we are green again. So it's a good retest and reset. Big four, Bitcoin, ETH, and of course, this is the US 500 and US 100. All of them on a 4-hour chart time frame are showing the perfect setup for reversal. And ETH actually looks like prepared for the bounce. Price action is extremely similar to the one we showed before. So if you look, basically everything, I don't see US 500. Basically everything is pumping, whatever it means. So they grab the liquidity and now let's go higher, guys. This is usually what happens all the time long. So it's not only Bitcoin, everything dumped and now it's pumped again. So congratulations, guys. US 12 months candle, 6 months candles, really nothing changed. And for the monthly candle, this is where we are when you compare it to gold ETF, basically here. So if this was the last dump, then we have 1, 2, 3 months of a strong pump, some pullback, and then pump, dump, pump, doesn't matter. Look what happened next. It's where we are, where we go. This is the logarithmic chart, but just to give you an idea, which could be exactly 1 million, for example, in the next 4 years for the candidature of Trump. As an example, then RSI on monthly chart, we know we have 1, 2, 3. We have still a lot of room for movement. So Bitcoin looks very well from technical standpoint of view. Ethereum looks shit, but it's very good because if you want to long it now. It's the best timing to do it now. Monthly chart basically repeating the situation from October 2020, January. Look what happened next. There was no stop for the next of the year. When we look Ethereum to Bitcoin, we are at the bottom, guys. It can only go higher. Bitcoin dominance, it should really drop. I mean, yeah, it can go higher, but if the situation repeats third time, we go lower, we have an alt season. So it can still consolidate for a week or two, but should dump around the inauguration in February. Others, this is how they look like. They look really low, ready for the pump, especially versus ETH. And others, also the same others, but on a different chart. This is how they look. Look how they are eating the inventory. They came back where the inventory is and they are eating it. Market makers are feeding their big bucks for the big alt season, guys. That's evidentially on the chart. They are eating it every single piece. They are full. Their berries are exploding. Do it together with them. Large caps, decent pullback, but nothing happened on the higher time frame. Alt season consolidating at these levels. We should go higher very soon. Bitcoin cycle lows. We are exactly at the low when we compare to the other cycles. Rainbow chart, we are even not in the middle yet. Stock to flow, stock to income 300k. Inflow, outflow, ETF. A bit of outflow, yeah, because how others we can push the markets back. Bitcoin Go trends pullback, but it started consolidating, very similar to the altcoins chart actually. On Glassnode, the same cycle low. Ethereum quarterly starting red, very good because then it will be very easy to make it green at the end, right? We have inauguration here. Bitcoin number 7 worldwide, like CR7, Bravo, Bitcoin. Almost every portfolio person address every holder for Bitcoin is in profit, right? Because when you have all-time high, then everyone is in profit because how it differently. Everyone who bought above 100k is in loss, but how many people are there compared who are holding? So most everyone is in profit, and we stay like for a year according to history at least. Values days destroyed. We had a rough December, but all the rest looks fine. Yeah, and that's how it looks like. That will be everything for today. If you like the short updates of the price action, subscribe to the channel, follow the next video, and talk to you tomorrow.